Good afternoon to everyone. That is Saturday today. It's cold weather outside, so this video for today making perfect butter soup bones o called bowler with raisins. So ito yung ingredient. So this is the ingredient to make soup butter bones. So that is it, guys. It's the flour, butter and milk and warm water, mix all this together, and sugar, and that is cardamom and salt, and this is dry. Yes, so mag-start na tayo. Yung gawin, guys, add this butter and fresh milk and water. In-micro ko lang yan, guys, i-warm up, and then add this one. Of course, add this dry ingredient. Dry, yes, guys. Of course, gumamit tayo ng 1 deciliter na sugar. I-mix lang natin dyan. And then, add this dry ingredient. Flour. And then, gumamit lang tayong kitchen na machine para madalian ito, guys. So, i-add natin yung salt. 1/8 teaspoon na salt and 1/2 teaspoon na cardamom. So, mag-start na tayo, guys. So, now that is done, guys, haluin na natin gamit nitong gumamit ako ng So, after na gumamit akong kitchen na machine, guys, I use a little bit oil and then minimix ko lang siya ganyan, guys. The dough is built soft, like that. And then, anuhin lang natin ito, guys. And then, takpan natin ito mamaya ng plastic and let it to raise, and it depends double size. Ganyan lang yan akong gumawa. Napaka-simple, gamit kayo ng kitchen. Pag wala, gamit kayo ng kamay, nasa sa inyo na yan. So, ito na yan, guys. Ipares, takpan na natin itong plastic and then raise in 45 minutes or 1 hour. It depends the dough is double size. So, cover and plastic ba, guys, and let it to raise, and depends sa mag-double size yung dye natin. So, this is it. After 45 minutes, ito na, guys, yung dough natin. Nag-double size na natin. And then, i-ano natin, mayroon tayong flour dito. Yan. Ano na natin, i-mix lang natin ito para hindi siya didikit. At mayroon tayong 3/4 na raisin. Ano ito yun sa anak kong babae, nag-grieving siya ng gagawa ako ng soup bones, guys. Yan. Yan mo ko lang ito, i-mix ko lang siya dito. Yung natin, yung raisin. Nasa sa inyo dyan, pwede nyo lagyan ng raisin. Pwede nyo lagyan ng chocolate bite. Pero ito, napaka-soap siya, guys. Promise. I-mix lang natin lahat ng natin. Yung raisin. And then, saka natin bilog-bilogin, guys. Ganyan lang. Ito lang siya. Napakadaling gawin. Ang ginamit po kasi yung kitchen na machine. Kaya madali siyang gawin. Pero pwede ninyong manggagawa kayo ng gagamit lang yung kamay. Diba? Nasa sa inyo na yan, guys. Discarte lang para makakain kayong ganito. No preservative. That is homemade soap na bread bones. Na with raisin na siya, guys. Ganyan lang. I-divide natin into 2. Dahil ikakat natin siya sa pabilugin na natin, guys. Bilog na natin ito. Yan. Not too big. Katamtaman lang yung laki niya. And then gamit tayo ganito. Yan. So ganyan lang ako gumawa ng soup baso. Ganyan lang. And ito na siya, guys. Okay, mayroon akong baking pan dito and baking paper. Ano na natin. Not so big. Bilog-bilogin lang natin. Yan lang, guys. Napakadali siya gawin. Yan. So, napansin niyo yung oil ang ginamit ko para siyang makinis yung ano niya. So, that is it here. That is here. Pansin niyo. So, 4.5 cup na flour, guys. Ang nagawa natin ng soap, raisin soap boulder, guys, bones. 16 sticker, guys. And then, let it to raise again in 30 minutes. And then, i-bake na natin in 215 minutes. That is it. Takpan ko ulit siya. So, after 30 minutes, guys, paano natin ni-raise? Ito na siya. I-bake natin siya ng 12 minutes. It depends sa brown color. This is it, guys. After 15 minutes, 200 ang ano natin temperature. Nasa inyong oven, guys, yung temperature. So, 15 minutes ito. Binabrush ko lang siya ng fresh mix sa ibabaw. So, that is my result. So, raisin, butter, ano natin, itikman natin, guys. That is it. Hello, that is my raisin butter bone. Yes. So, natin, guys, napakalambot. Lambot siya, guys. Yes. And then, mayroon siyang rosina. Antikman na natin yung lasa. Madaling gawin. Gumamit lang akong kitchen na machine. Yung tamis, katamtaman lang. Yung raisin na kapagdala ng yama. Napakalambot siya, guys. Grabe.